Hello, welcome back. Today we'll be covering the following topics. We'll cover how to add extension and outstation. We'll cover how to add doctors. We'll cover how to create a tool program. We'll cover how to make entries for daily calls for doctors and daily call entries for chemists. We'll also show you how to see the summarized reports. Now, as per my earlier tutorial, I said this is the landing page. Once you get into the landing page, you can see your user ID. Now, let's cover each one of the topics. How to add extension and outstation. Now, once you get into the interface, you will have this option which says add extension and outstation. You click here, it will open in a different tab. You will have multiple tabs now. So once you have opened a new tab, all your details will be populated by default. Most of your details will be populated by default. You have to select the area, whether it's an extension or outstation. Now, for instance, my address is Cuttack. I want to select an extension, so I select extension. I name the area, like for instance it's Bhubaneswar. Now you need to put in the kilometers from your headquarters. So now for instance it's 20. So please make sure you put in the right value in the kilometers, because this value will be used further to calculate your TA and DA. Then you hit finish. Once you finish, it's done. You can close the tab or you can go for a new area. So you can select another area, like I select another outstation. I name it as Khordha. Kilometers I put it as 40. Sorry. I hit finish. So you can add in as many areas as you want. You can close the tab. Now if you want to check the areas you have made entries, so you can come here, you can right click, open in a new tab, and you will have all the areas you have just entered. Now if you see, my headquarters is Cuttack, so the distance is 0. My extension is Bhubaneswar, and as I filled in the distance it's 20, and my outstation is Khordha and it's 40. So the first topic is cleared. So how to add extension and outstation. Now let's see how to add doctors. You can come to this option where it says add doctors. You click here, it opens in a new tab. Now in this tab you need to put in the doctors you want to visit. So you pick your name, you pick your user ID, employee ID, MCL number. Now you need to put in the doctor's name. For instance, I want to put in my first doctor. Let's see, I name it as Dr. A. Dr. A. Its specialization is maybe BDS. So contact number I don't have, it's a dummy doctor, so I just put in the contact number. Location. Location is the exact address where you need to, exact address of the doctor. Maybe I put in like Jaydev Vihar. The area name, you'll get the area names where you have you'll get only those area names which you have added. Like for instance, you see Bhubaneswar, Cuttack and Khordha. I just showed you I added Bhubaneswar and Cuttack, and by default when my account was created, my headquarter was assigned as Cuttack. So I get the three names. Now Jaydev Bihar is in Bhubaneswar, so I select Bhubaneswar. I select the state, Odisha. I select the country, India. I select category. The category is whether you want to visit the doctor once or more than once in a month. So you select either multiple visits or single visits. So for now I'm selecting single visits. So assigned number of visits is 1. Products targeted. You need to give the products you are targeting for a particular doctor. For now I want to target maybe Glycan eye drops and Zytum 250. Once I have made entry for products targeted, then I need to make an entry for date of birth of the doctor. Now for instance, the date of birth of the doctor is like 1985, maybe 4th of February. So then I need to enter the email address. For instance, the email address is maybe xyz@gmail.com. Now I need to add the chemists under the particular doctor. Now there are 4 entries here, but you need not do all the 4 entries. Like for instance, there is just one chemist under this doctor. So I'll say maybe chemist Sharda Pharma, but I don't want more than one. Like for instance, this particular doctor, Dr. A, has just one chemist. So what I can do, I can just fill in NA or maybe a dash. Anniversary, I need to type in the anniversary type, like marriage or whether it's a birthday. So marriage anniversary. I need to pick the date. You see, it's not always compulsory to put in the right year, because you'll get an automated alert on a particular date. Like for instance, I am putting maybe March 4th. So every year March 4th you'll be getting an automated alert. You don't have to put the exact year. You can skip putting the exact year. You can put any year you want. Now once you have made all the entries, please make sure you have not left any of the fields blank. Please make sure you have some entries in all the fields. Now once you have made entries in all the fields, you get the finish active. You click finish and it's done. You can make another entry, like here it says new entry. You click here, you get another option. You add your details. Once you have your details, let me name this doctor as Dr. B. A specialization may be MD. Contact number I don't want to give any. location, area maybe Cuttack, state Odisha, category multiple visits. I want to visit this doctor twice a month. Products targeted. I can just copy paste. Date of birth, I can just select any. Even date of birth you can avoid using the exact year, but if you know the exact date, just put in, or else you can skip the date of birth, just use the current date and later you can update the date of birth. Email may be abc at. Now I don't want any chemist for this doctor, maybe I'll just use dash. Anniversary, I can use anything. So once I finish this, you see the finish is active. But let me give you an example. If I have not used a particular field, you see the finish will not be active. You need to fill in all the fields, have values, at least something. So once you do it, the finish is active. So you click on finish and that's it. Now once you have made entries for the doctors, you can see the entries you have made from this place. It's called master call list. You can click here to open the master call list. You see I have made two entries, Dr. A and Dr. B. You see the details here in the master call list. So now you can close it. Now, so add doctors is done. Now create tour program. Now for creating tour program, this is the option you need, like where it says tour program entry. You click here. Now you can select your details. Now at one go you can make entry for 6 days. Now for instance, I want to make entries from May 7th. Then the next day it's Saturday, May 28th. Then it's a Sunday, so I don't need. I just go for May 30th. And 31st, June 1st. Once I do this, I can type in, you can remove NA and type in maybe visiting destination. I can type in like Bhubaneswar. Base location is for now, for me it's expected expenditure. If you have some, like 100 comments. So you see, I have planned to work on 27th, from 27th to 31st in Bhubaneswar and 1st and 2nd in Khordha. So that's what I have filled in. My base location is Cuttack. So I can fill in the details. If you want, you can put in the values and comments. It's up to you if you want to put in the values. Now once I fill it, I'll get this option as finish. So I click finish. So once I click finish, the entries are done. If I want to do entries for the next slot, I can use new entry. Then I can start off with June 3rd. I've done here till 2nd June. I can start off using new entry from June 3rd. So once I finish it, I can see my detailed tour program. I can click here. I see the detailed tour program. Like for instance 2016, you can pick up the month, February, March, May. Now for instance we see May, 2016 May. This is what I have planned. So tour program is done. Now doctor's entry. Let's go for doctor's entry. Now here you see an option where it says daily progress report entry. So you can use this option for making entries for daily call progress or daily calls. So you can click here. It opens in a new tab. Once you have it opened in a new tab, some of the fields are populated by default. Now let me explain something. There are two sections here. On the top section is for TA and DA calculation, where the bottom section where it says area, doctor name, sample is to monitor what doctors you have visited. Now for instance, on a particular day like May 27th, I want my TA to be calculated as Bhubaneswar. So I pick Bhubaneswar. The kilometers selected is 20 because initially I had made an entry of 20 kilometers for Bhubaneswar. The extension is the area type is by default selected as extension. Now if I select Khordha, by default the kilometers selected is 40, and you see it's outstation. It says outstation because initially I made an entry for Khordha as my outstation, and the kilometers I put it as 40. If I select Cuttack as headquarters, it gives me 0 and headquarters. Now once I have made these entries, now you have to put in whom you have worked with. Like for instance, if you have worked with maybe one person, you can type in the name. Maybe I have worked with A. Das. Now if I have worked with multiple people, I can also make an entry. Like for instance, I have worked with Chandan Mukherjee plus A. Das. So you can make as many people you have worked with. Now if there are any extra expenses, like for instance you have traveled, you have made some entries, you have traveled by bus or something, you can put in extra expenses like 500 or 500 rupees you have traveled by maybe bus allowance. You can put in the expense type here. Now once you have finished the top section which is for TA and DA calculation, now you can come in to select the doctors. You'll get the areas that you have entered, like for instance I have Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, all these areas. I have made entries for these areas. Now I select maybe Bhubaneswar. Now I select the doctors. I have just made entry like Dr. A. So you see Dr. A. I select the name of the doctor. Sample. If I have given any sample, I will put in what sample I have given to the doctor. Like for instance, I have given alpha fast. I'll put in the quantity, maybe 50. There are 3 options for sample and there are options for gifts. For now you don't see any, but if there will be any gifts, then you will have these options. Now if there are any special comments, you can put in or you can just leave it as it is. Now for the final comments, and you see here, since all the fields have not been filled, the finish is not active. Now once I fill in the empty fields, you see the finish is active. So I can click on finish and the report is been done. Now if you want to make a report for the chemists, so you hit chemist reporting. You pick the date like May 27th. You get the fields that have populated by default, because initially for May 27th you selected Cuttack, so all the fields have been populated. You can type in the details. You can type in maybe you have worked in Bhubaneswar. You can pick the doctor. Now for instance Dr. A. Remember Dr. A had just one chemist. So you can pick, this is Sharda Pharma. So you can pick the chemist name. Now if they have ordered, so pick the product they have ordered, maybe Almerade, maybe 50 quantity. So once you finish, you fill in all the fields, no comments, and hit finish. Now once you have done this, you can come back to your interface. You can also separately go for chemist reporting. Like for instance, there is an extra option. You can click here. You see, this is the page for chemist reporting. You can also do chemist reporting using that option. So once you finish, you can come here, visit summary. You can pick the month, like for instance I am picking May. You see the details. Now for May I have visited one doctor. His name is, I work with Chandan Mukherjee, and I visited Dr. A, whose ID is NRIV 457. There is a back option. You can go back, or you have to just close this tab. Now once you have made entry, please make sure to check here as visit summary. I understand it's a new tool. There will be problem initially. You may find it a bit slow, but please remember it's not a website. It's a software. So to make it as a habit, once you start using it, you will feel more comfortable in doing it, and it will surely help you to analyze or work in a better way. like in a more planned and scientifical, like in a more it will make your sales more strategic. And thanks a lot.